Hey everybody, so how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a small tool haul from Home Depot. I got some Milwauke XPS bits as well, or not Milwauke, but Makita XPS bits, they're new bits. And I picked up a couple, I think it's one Milwauke item. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so quick video. I picked up some Makita Impact XPS bits as well as an adapter and the magnetic mag boost, as well as this 12-inch Milwauke Shockwave magnetic bit holder. Now, I'm going to link a card up here for Tool Review Zone, aka Clint. He did a video on these. They're very impressive, and I'm going to probably be doing some testing with them as well to see how well they do. From my perspective, I'll probably do like the M12 Milwauke tools, a couple of those, and I'll probably use like my DeWalt DCD 996 hammer drill, as well as my DCD 887, I think is what it's called. It's the DeWalt 887 impact driver. And I'll also link a card up here for VCG Construction. Vince also did a video on these bits. And I think Vince is the one that started the hashtag what is it called? Let me go grab my phone. Oh, I think if I remember correctly, it's called what Vince started. I think it was called on Instagram hashtag. I just had it. It's one of those days, I guess, guys. Just the Tip, I think, is what it was called. He might have done it on a video. Or Twitter. I think it might have been Twitter. But if I remember correctly, it was Makita, the XPS. I believe it was mentioned on VCG Construction's video. I also know that Tool Review Zone also mentioned VCG Construction. So I will leave cards up here for both of them, gentlemen. Vince and Clint are both great guys. I am pretty positive it is Just the Tip is the hashtag, where the tool is basically, you know, I got a 2-pack of the 3-inch Phillips 2s, and I got a 2-pack of the 3-inch T25s. I also got the mag boost magnet for them, and I also picked up this 1/4-inch 6-inch magnetic extension insert bit holder. We may also test the 12-inch Milwauke with these bits. I could not find any of these bits in the shorty bits. I guess my Home Depot just didn't have any because I didn't see any. All I saw for the shorties, they had like a 6-pack of shorties, but they were Phillips 1, and I don't need Phillips 1. But I do use Phillips 2 a lot, and T25. They did not have any T30, but from Vince's video as well as Clint's video, these fit so well into Phillips that you can literally hang the tool from them, because they fit so tightly in a Phillips screw. And I just thought it was, you know, hey, I'll give them a try. They were $5, and $5.97, $5.97. So the 2-pack of bits was $5.97. The little mag boost was $3.97. This one was $6.97, and then Milwaukee was $9.97 for the 12-inch. I have the 6-inch, and I have the 2-inch. I think is what it's called, the 2-inch or 1-inch, something like that. Of these, I just didn't have the 12-inch, and it would have came in handy for a few things. So I just picked it up. It was $10, not a big deal. I don't know when I'm going to be coming out with these videos. I will try to do it. I do know that I'm going to take some photos, throw them up on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see pictures of some of this stuff before you see the videos, because I always do teasers on my Instagram. I don't think I'm going to do an unboxing of any of these. You know, you guys know what bits are and bit holders. This mag boost is specially designed specifically for these XPS bits. Give it a close up. They did have these in 2-inch, but I like the 3-inch a lot. I have a lot of, I've come to be fond of the Milwaukee 3-inches, so I just picked these up because the 3-inches are actually kind of a good distance from the tool. Helps you get into small places. And you can add these to, you know, an extension like this. It might be a little wobbly if you do, but I will be trying to find the kits. You can get, like, for 20, 25 bucks, you can get a 30 or 40 bit kit, and it will come with the mag boost and everything. I do not have the Makita Impact Golds. I've never tried those. I'm not sure, but I think these XPS Impacts are replacing the Makita Gold, Impact Golds. I could be wrong. If you guys know down below, let me know if I'm wrong or I'm right. You know, I appreciate your guys' time. It's a little small haul. Everything here was a total of $35.87, and that was including tax. But, you know, small haul. Not bad for the price. If I can find the 1-inch bits, we'll test the 1-inch bits, or also known as the stubby bits. And if they do have some bigger bits, like just 6 inches, I think, if I remember correctly, Vince's video, he showed the 6-inch bits of these that he hung the tool from. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.